Audio Jungle.
Ladies and gentlemen, again welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. So guys, once again I come with an amazing and very interesting platform. Guys, here I will give you a complete review about this very interesting platform where you have to collect your NFT. You have to join here, you have to mint this, and you can earn a lot of profits here. So I will give you a complete review about this NFTs collection. So before starting their further review, I would request, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, I always come with an amazing and awesome platform for my audience, for my viewers. So before starting their further amazing review, I want to say that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So guys, here is welcome to 40 facts. Here I have to tell you about OpenSea of these NFTs collections. There is a lot of NFTs where you have to collect, where you have to mint, and how you can create and how you can buy these, and how values these are. So now I am talking about the 40 facts NFT collections, and guys, let's go. Here we have to start right now. And guys, here is a beautiful there 40 facts blues. Here you can see that you have to dive into the bold, hilarious world of facts, groundbreaking collections of just 1000 unique NFTs, humor sweets, high-tech collectibles. Each artifact combines adorable designs with interactive font sounds traits, and making every item truly one kind of. So guys, you have to join the vibrant community of like mint enthusiasts, and there is a artifacts you have to get gateway to premium techie collectible experience, because let's face it, and it's very funny side of the best side. Here you have to join our Discord community, where you have to get guys, this link I have placed in my video description, where you can join, and this is available on their Discords. And guys, this is basically on Ethereum blockchain, and this is created on 2024 December. Here is the all over review of these collections and these items, their offers, analytics. Here you can see that this is the artifacts mint, where you have to play 0.2 Ethereum, and that's if you how you have to buy. You have to simply guys connect to your wallet. Here how you can mint, you have to connect to your wallet, MetaMask, Trust, or Phantom. It's on to you. As you can see that I have connect on MetaMask wallet. Then you have to select your Ethereum blockchain set, and then you have to put here amount, how much you want to buy. But there is a limit here, you can see that's 125 per wallet. Here you can mint, and here it's on to you how much you want to mint here. So guys, here are the different items where you can see that, and there are a lot of offers here you can see. And these are the all of our these are the new, and here is the you can check out their currencies, their trade accessories, background clothes. Here is the different 40 songs, and it's on to you which you have to buy, and you have to check this. And guys, this is the all about our offers. We are checking here what are their NFT offers, their analytics we will talk. And about 40 facts NFTs collections. Here you have to see, you have to check their analytics, why we are talking about here. So these are the our all about overview, guys. And we have to talk about most of these are the NFTs collection we never knew you needed epic base drop here. And we have to close up the legendary speaker NFTs slowly here. And get ready for the most collectible, most coveted, and the most cheeky NFT collection that created a sound short humor seek effect. And guys, here you can also check about their standards, fluffy robot, and making animated entrance here. And these are the more than just a collection. Each unique NFT is crafted with collectible traits that make every character a masterpiece. And here is the artifacts origin of story, why we have to create. And this is the biggest impact. There are very hidden treasures. You can see that this is the all about a history of artifacts, and there we have to do. And here you can check out there all of the styles like high pitched, and all of their songs. You have to read their stories, and these are the very NFTs that is on benefited, and why you have to collect, why you have to join. Here is the all of the questions where you can read, and here is our exclusive roadmap, guys, where you can see that what we have to do, what is our basically development about 40 facts each with a varying low levels reality, unique sounds based taste. And here you have to check out our all of the guys minding here. These are the our collections where I have tell you about. Now you can check out our these artifacts items, their sounds, their colors. I want to show you about. Here is the price list also. It's on to you how much you want to buy. You have to do. You can check out their sounds too. Here are the different sounds of every artifacts. Here you can see and you can sound here and you can buy here. It's about to you guys how much you want to buy, how much you want to hold, and if you hold you get a lot of profits here. So you have to must join here. You can check out their sounds. All of the different NFTs is available here. You have to collect your 40 facts, all of the NFTs you have to create now, and I hope you join this. See you next video. Thanks for watching.